Okay, so here is part 2 of how to use the Medicube Booster Pro. Now, if you've not come here from part 1, hi, I'm TJ, and I'm guiding you guys through how to get the best results out of the Medicube Booster Pro. Now, in part 1, we covered how to use the AirShot mode. If you want to watch that one before watching this one, you can find the link down in the description. Otherwise, let's get on with how to use the booster mode in the Medicube Booster Pro. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the Booster Pro on, and it should be the first treatment that comes up. Yeah. Level 1. Now, as with all of the treatment options on this device, it starts at level 1. If you're new to using it, it's always a good idea for the first week to stick with level 1 and then begin to increase the intensity as you and your skin gets used to using it. Now, if like me, you're going to be using the app, the device automatically connects to it if you've got that app open when you turn the device on. Obviously, you need to have Bluetooth turned on your Android or iPhone to be able to connect to your device. If you want to learn more about what the app actually does, again, I'm going to add a link down in the description box below, and that will take you to a better explanation of everything. Now, if you're using a device manually, you can increase the intensity by pressing the power button briefly.
Level 3, level 4, level 5.
Or if you're using the phone, you can use your phone to control the intensity level.
Level 4, level 3, level 2.
Now, as I mentioned in part 1 of my how to use the Medicube Booster Pro video series, I'm in my 40s and I'm all about creating volume in my skin. Now, the Booster Pro frequency doesn't begin until the device detects that it's made contact with your skin. As soon as you remove the device away from your skin, the timer stops. It runs for 5 minutes. That's enough to do a full face and neck treatment. Now, Booster Mode will improve skin permeability by a huge 785%. That means that your products are going to penetrate much deeper into your skin. Active ingredients are going to work so much better, and your skin is going to look really plump, hydrated, and just glowy. Now, with Booster Mode, you're going to be applying your favorite serums and creams, as it's going to help push them deeper into the skin. Now, that 785% increase in skin permeability is when compared to using your fingertips to massage a product in, which really just shows how impressive the power of this device is. Now, as someone in their 40s, taking care of my under eye skin is really important to me. So I'm just going to apply some of the Medicube Deep Vita A Retinol Serum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to my fingertip an amount the size of around about 2 grains of rice. Then I'm just going to dab this around my eye area. Next, I'm going to take some of my Triple Collagen Serum, a couple of pumps of that. Then I'm going to add a couple of drops of the HR Glutathione Glow Serum. This helps to take care of any dark marks or freckles on my skin that I don't really want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the head of the device and apply it really firmly against my skin, starting at the nose area, and then using gentle circular motions, I'm just going to start making my way outwards and upwards.
Passed.
And the other side.
Passed.
Chin. Nice circular motion. Around the mouth. Then large circles on the cheek, spiraling outwards. Really gentle pressure, no dragging of the skin, just gliding.
Past.
Onto the neck, bringing some product down from the cheeks. Just avoiding the centre line where the thyroid and the larynx is. No need to treat over there. Product down. Above the brows. Gentle circular motions just backwards and forwards across the forehead. Really just making sure that I'm getting that product all over my skin, just pushed in really beautifully. Then for around the eyes, I'm just going to drop the intensity down to level 1. I'm just going to take the pointy part of the device tip up towards the inner canthus of the eye, on the lower eyelid, and then just gently slide and glide. Really light pressure so you're not pulling at the skin. And then sliding outwards. I'm going to do this 3 times.
Past.
And the other side. And then the upper eye area. And then lastly, intensity up to level 3 and just down the nose. Skin is feeling really plump, it's feeling hydrated, it literally drunk up all of those ingredients. Now if you're using the booster as the last thing that you do before you head out of the house, you can apply your makeup. Make sure that you apply a generous layer of sunscreen before you leave your home, and you'll be good to get on with your day. Now if, like me, you're going to continue with the treatments, the next treatment mode we're going to be using is Microcurrent, which you're going to be able to find right here.